In this video, I'll show you guys step by step how to start a YouTube automation business as beginners without showing your face and without using your voice. And yes, it's 100% possible, and I'm going to show you exactly how. Just make sure to watch this video until the end, because by the end of the video you will know the exact steps to get started even if you have zero experience. Okay, I'll share with you everything. I will also share with you an easy, a profitable niche that you can start with as a beginner to start making some serious money with this business. Okay, because it really, YouTube automation can change your life like it did it for mine. So I'm gonna share with you guys everything. And as you can see, I have been doing this business for over 5 years, and I have multiple faceless YouTube channels that's making me a lot of money every single month. And this is one of my faceless YouTube channel, and as you can see guys, in the last 28 days this channel made $17,467.17. Okay, this channel is making some serious money every single day. You can see some days up to $1,000 just in one single day. Okay, this is my first YouTube channel. This is my second YouTube channel. This channel in the last 28 days made $7,312.16. You guys can see, and this channel is also is making good and a big profit every single day. Like just those two channels are making over $1,000 every single day for me, and it's a lot of money. I'm making a lot of money from those faceless YouTube channels, and I'll share with you guys everything. Okay, let's re-upload the page for people who are asking. Re-upload your page, of course. Okay, I will click here. I'm sharing with you my YouTube studio account here. I'm sharing with you everything. Okay, let's re-upload the page so you guys can see. It's not screenshots, of course, like other people sharing with you. They got screenshots from Google or from other people, then they come to YouTube and they say that they know how this business works. I re-upload the page and the results are still the same results. Okay, this channel in the last 7 days, let's see how much this channel made. In the last 7 days this channel has made $1,282. Okay, and in the last year, 2024, let's see how much this channel has made. You guys can see in the last year this channel made $79,110. Okay, that's really a lot of money in just one single year. Okay, in the last year. And this one, let's go to the second one, to the first one, sorry. Okay, this one, let's see how much this channel has made in the last 7 days. You guys can see in the last 7 days this channel made $2,810. Okay, and last year this channel, let's see, in 2024, guys, you can see this channel in the last year made $142,926 and 24 cents. Okay, you guys can see the potential of YouTube. YouTube can change your life, and you can start multiple faceless YouTube channels. You can, after you start making money, you can hire a team and you don't need to work anymore. You can work just like between 10-20 minutes per day, and you can still make a lot of money every single month. Okay, you guys can see like YouTube really can change your life. You see, this channels, just those two channels that I'm sharing with you here, they are making me over $24,000 every single month. Just those two channels. I can't share a lot all my faceless YouTube channels. I don't like, just to show you guys the numbers showing you, oh, I made this result, I made this result. I need to show you how we can do the same. Okay, that's why I made this video. Okay, so anyway, so for people who want to start a faceless YouTube channel, start YouTube automation without showing your face and without using your voice, you guys can start. I'll share with you an easy niche that you can start with. Okay, you can start with this niche. Okay, it's uploading funny animal videos. Okay, like this one. Look at this channel. You see this channel here? It's working. It's already the proof. It's working. It's monetized. You see here? This channel is monetized. You guys can see this channel upload just those funny animal videos. Do you see here? Those videos are getting a lot of views, thousands of views, and this channel is making a lot of money every single day. They don't need to show their face or using their voice. Channel is monetized. If we click here, let me show you how much this channel is making, how many views this channel is getting per month. Okay, you guys can see. Let's choose last 30 days. Okay, month. Okay, you can see that this channel, let me show you, this channel got in the last 30 days 8.1 million views. 8 million views, guys. 8 million views uploading those stupid funny animal videos, and they are making so much money. Look at those videos. Funny animal videos, they are super easy to make. Okay, look, they are getting crazy views. Like, look at this one, uploaded 9 days ago, it's close to 1 million. This video will get 1 million after just few days, like this video, and will make a lot of money for the owner of this YouTube faceless YouTube channel. Okay, how much this channel is making, let me show you. You guys can see, if we go to this website that shows you how much this channel can make, the estimated revenue, you see that this channel, it's the same channel here. Okay, they uploaded 663 videos, they got almost 8 million views. Okay, in the last 28 days, you see here, this is subscribers they got in the last 28 days, 6,000. This is estimated revenue. They are making between 20,000 and $57,000 per month. That's really crazy. Like, just this one channel, it's making, like, that's crazy money, guys. Like, imagine making just $10,000 per month can completely change your life. Okay, do you see this? This channel is making up to $57,000 per month, uploading funny animal videos. Like, okay, so you will ask how you can get, where I can get like those videos. I'll show you. Go to TikTok. Okay, open your TikTok account. Okay, search for funny animal videos, and here you go. That's exactly what they are doing. They are getting those videos from TikTok. They are making those videos, adding one by one to make the video long up to 10 or 20 minutes. They make few editing, they re-upload the videos to YouTube, and making a good and a lot of money every single month. Okay, the videos are already on TikTok. You see here, funny animal. If you go to TikTok, search for funny animal videos, you will find a lot of videos here. You see this, funny animal videos. You can download those videos, make few editing, go back to YouTube, open your YouTube channel, and start a faceless YouTube channel like this. It's super easy. You just need to make few editing, make the videos up to 10, 22 minutes, start uploading. You just need to start. You don't need to be great to start, but you need to start to be great. For you as a beginner, you are in the first step, which is learning, and you need to start to learn how this works, how those videos are getting views. You will check your YouTube studio, see which videos are getting clicks, which thumbnails are getting clicks, and you will start doubling what's working, and you will avoid what's not working. That's how you can learn and start scaling your channel. Then you can hire a team. You don't need to work anymore, and you will hire a team that will start making those videos for you. Okay, do you see? That's it, super easy, guys. I think that's the easy niche that you guys can start as a beginner, and that's it. And of course, you guys should know that those videos are evergreen videos, meaning that those videos, guys, can keep getting views for a month or even for years, and keep making you money for years, even if you stop it uploading for a while. Okay, if you stop it uploading, those videos can keep getting views, making you money every single day. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you guys want a detailed video how you can start, please just comment in this video YouTube automation, like this video, subscribe to this channel so you will not miss a lot of valuable and profitable niches that I will start uploading in my YouTube channel. And that's it. Also, guys, I do provide coaching services for people who want to start a profitable faceless YouTube channel, choosing a profitable niche, how you can make the videos, how you can do good SEO for your videos to start getting views, grow your channel fast, and more. Feel free to reach out to me in my email address in my description, and I will get back to you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next videos.